I am back in the woods again on one of my favorite trails, off to see some good friends of mine. No walk in the woods is complete without my babies. Good morning, Fern. Good morning, Moss. How you do, Dogwood? Good morning, Shouty Dog. Growing strong, aren't we, Mr. Oak? Oh, look, little finches. Look at the lovely little green finches. Hello. You're hanging out? They've definitely come to hang out with some of my friends, the aspen. Aspen, known as Populus tremula, are a really cool species. They also make a rattling noise like this. Can you hear it? That gives it the nickname quaking aspen. It's characterized by these round but still toothy type leaves. And when they rattle in the wind, it sounds pretty dope. Unfortunately, no wind this morning, for once. They're what's known as a pioneer species. You can see them and some of these willows have started taking root in this more open area. This type of habitat, this ecotone, is known as open woodland scrub, and it's quite rare in the UK. One of the reasons aspen are so great is because they are, as I said, a pioneer species. They're very good at quickly afforesting land. So if a land's been left, say agricultural land, you can't use it anymore, you don't want to use it anymore, but you want trees there quickly, aspen and willows are very good at afforesting woods quickly. One of the reasons for this is because they're very good at sending off runners from one tree to another. So one tree establishes, usually a big adult tree, and the roots spread out and grow another tree from that same root system. In fact, over in the United States, you have the largest organism known to man, Pando, and it is a colonial organism of aspen trees, American aspen trees. It is around 6,000 tons. And since they're all aspen clones, they're one individual. How crazy is that? Aspen have a mutually beneficial relationship with beaver. Beaver love to eat aspen, which you think is bad for them. But no, when they chop down the tree, they eat the stems, they eat the leaves. But what's left behind grows anew, like a hydra. They do this with willows too. And any of those stems that are taken to a new location and forgotten about by the beavers, they grow into an entirely new tree a lot of the time. Whilst not endangered or anything, the aspen is nationally rare throughout the UK. So, if you want a new plant in your garden or you have land you want afforested, please consider our beautiful aspen for such a project. I just love trees!